Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make meringue with a blender. This method is surprisingly effective and creates beautiful, stable meringue every time. You'll need just a few simple ingredients: fresh egg whites, granulated sugar, and a tiny bit of cream of tartar. Make sure your blender is clean and completely dry, as any moisture can prevent the egg whites from whipping properly. To begin, carefully separate 3 large egg whites into your blender, making sure no yolk gets in. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. This helps stabilize the meringue. Blend on high speed for about 30 seconds until foamy. Then, slowly add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, while the blender continues to run. Keep blending until the mixture is glossy and forms stiff, firm peaks. If your meringue isn't forming stiff peaks, don't worry. Just keep blending for another minute or two. Sometimes it just needs a little more time. For extra flavor, you can add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract or a few drops of almond extract once the peaks have formed. Meringue is best used fresh, but you can store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Now you have perfectly whipped meringue, ready for all your baking needs. Use it to top a lemon meringue pie, bake delicate meringue cookies, or simply enjoy it as a light, airy dessert. This blender technique truly simplifies the process, making impressive meringue accessible to everyone. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the links in the description below. It's a fantastic way to keep your kitchen spotless after all that baking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.